G'day! In today's video I've got an NZXT H9 series with a side panel that just does not want to move. Taken off the top, I've taken the screw out, there's no other screws along here. So next up what I want to do is lay it flat on its side, close the side panel first, make sure the cables aren't getting crushed, lay it down. With it in this horizontal laying down position, we should be able to use a bit of gravity. Hopefully, if I just use one hand and push up, ta-da! Don't try and do it with it on its side if it feels jammed. That I could not force out at all. And right now, I just basically did that first try with one hand. And we see a wear mark right there, where it's been either over tightened or it's just kind of semi-fused to it. But laying down would completely reduce the risk of damaging it. Alternatively, what I was going to do, if I pop it back down, what I was going to do is use a plastic pry tool, not a metal pry tool. And I was hoping this screw undone, I could potentially slide it under the metal that's here, which I cannot do one-handed, but you get the idea. I was hoping I could follow this bit around here to the metal bit here and then pry. If you tried to pry on the other side of that glass, you're just asking to shatter it. If you're prying on the bottom side nearest to the case, you might be able to pop it. But I just simply found by laying it on its side and the weight of the case, unscrewed, push up. This one's taking a lot more force. There we go. And we're in. So basically, if you've got an NZXT H9 case and you want to get the side panel off, lay that sucker down. That will definitely help you. Bye.